धड़कने दिल से तेरे बांध लूं, तुझसे जवानियाँ हूँ, तुझसे कहानियाँ हूँ, कुछ भी ना हो तेरे बिना। थोड़ी मनमानियाँ हूँ, दूर परेशानियाँ हूँ, जाके दुनिया से कह दो जरा।
The first time I had come to Bhushan sir, you know, without any hesitation, he had said yes to my idea for Zindagi Yaaron Mein. And ever since then, you know, he's just been doing a fantastic job launching a lot of new talented people and launching a lot of talented actors in a different manner through singles. That being said, this is my third single with him. Yeah. So I think I'm very happy, and I hope you can give me a few more offers in the future for more singles. You know, I love doing this. It's not easy work, but it's fun, you know, because in between films you get to, you know, give your friends and fans a chance to get a glimpse of you. And yeah, it's fun. If you're very restless like me, and if you have so much energy, and if you want to move, and if you haven't, you know, expressed it all out in a film, then here's a nice platform for you to do something. Right. So, yeah.
Disha, this one's for you. Chemistry amazing है, साथ में कमाल लग रहे हो आप लोग, acting, dancing सब amazing है, action भी है. वो लातों से कैसे बची? Was it very difficult या बहुत आसान था? लातें
Trust me, when you're standing next to him,
yeah,
just for the fact that people are noticing you and they know I'm dancing with him, it's a compliment for me, because when he dances, you can't see anyone else.
Right.
He has just got so much energy, and he walks with this aura that you can't really see anyone else when he's there. And I'm just really fortunate. This is my first on-screen debut, and I got to work with Bhushan sir, Sam, the whole team, Aditi Kumar sir, Paresh sir, and I think it's like a dream team for anyone to be launched with. I'm really happy. I just hope I look decent dancing with him and I don't look funny. But yeah, it was difficult, but he's very motivating, so I never felt like, oh my God, I can't do it.
right.
It was a great thing.
आपकी ऑन स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री काफ़ी अच्छी लगती है, लेकिन रियल लाइफ केमिस्ट्री भी देखने मिला हमें कई बार. आप दोनों को साथ में मूवी थिएटर्स में देखा है, डिनर पर देखा है. आपसे सवाल भी पूछा गया था टाइगर, तब आपने कहा था शी इज़ टू कूल फॉर यू.
She is too cool for me.
Thank you, Tiger.
जो हकीकत है. Yeah, we like spending time. Yeah, we actually we go to dance rehearsal together also. Both of us are trained by Paresh sir. कई बार जिम में मिलते हैं. I love to eat. She loves to eat. Every now and then we go eat. So,
I think we do go out with our friends for movies and dinners or lunch. I think it's pretty normal